Our site, with a very low diversity, was largely dominated by dead or damaged coral, as well as fire coral. Thin leaf lettuce coral, elkhorn coral, sea plumes, and Venus sea fans, as well as purple frilli were also found in notable quantity. Our site was also slightly covered with algae, yellow tube sponge, and encrusting coral. Interestingly enough, fire coral, contrary to what the name would indicate, is not technically a member of class Anthozoa. In fact, it is more closely related to hydrozoans, and is therefore classified as calcareous hydrozoan. It is well known for the intense burning pain caused by contact with its stinging nematocysts. Elkhorn coral, although critically endangered, is considered to be one of the most important species of coral in the Caribbean when it comes to the creation of reefs. It has an extremely high growth rate for coral, growing by 5 to 10 centimeters per year on average. It is also used to be the dominant species in shallow water throughout the Caribbean. However, since 1980, an estimated 90 to 95% of the population died or was damaged. Moreover, yellow tube sponges were found in small quantities at our sample site. What is interesting with sponges is that they do not have specialized cells, and in fact, each cell can transform to fulfill the role of any other cell in the body. This means that when a sponge is destroyed, it can rearrange its cells to reform and recover. Finally, by the abundance of dead or damaged coral, we can conclude that this site was either damaged by human activities, storms, or climate change. When we compare it to sites such as Holchan or Blackbird Key, where large formations of healthy coral can be found, it becomes obvious that this site at Little Calabash's hidden treasure has an extremely low abundance and species richness in terms of coral.
Let's name the zones, the zones, the zones. Let's name the zones of the open sea.
Mr. Ray! Not Nemo!
Oh, you better stay with me.
Epipelagic, mesopelagic, bacterial, episcopelagic, all the rest are too deep for you and me to see.